Hi YouTube. Today I have a Harbor Freight product I want to review. So I've been using this ramp for I think 3 years now. And I don't know how strong it is. They, according to not just this brand, Harbor Freight, the Pittsburgh brand, but you can buy from Napa, O'Reilly, AutoZone. They rate it at 12,000 pounds, right? I'm not sure it's 12,000 pounds per side or 12,000 pounds, like 6,000 pounds each or what. They rate it at 12,000 pounds. Surprisingly, when you see plastic ramp and kind of scared that is that really handle that heavy, So I'm going to show you. This is the I think Dodge was, I'm not sure it's Dodge or Chevy. This is a dually, okay? This is a dually. And that's a Sprinter, okay? This pretty long, pretty big one. And I only load the front, so, and this is the ice cream truck, okay? This is an ice cream truck. And I can load it and I don't see no expand or anything like that, so pretty decent. So if you think that may not hold your F-150 or F-250, I think it be able to hold, because this is 3500 and it be able to hold the truck. You see that both sides on it, okay? And I don't see no sign of expanding or smashing down or anything like that, so it's still pretty strong, okay? So if you planning to get one for your oil change, I would say you can get one. The only bad thing about is, like right here, sometimes if you go too fast from down here, whoop, you might pass this little bump right here and flip over. I have this right here. See, this one's okay, right? This one, I'm not sure how many pound rated, but this one is not as sturdy as that one. And I put my F-150 on it, it's still okay. So Tundra F-150, okay. So the other side that I have is, this is what I talk about here, okay. Sorry for my mess. Okay, see right there? Because I ran over and the chassis was cutting right here. It's still sturdy. I still use it, as long as I don't go over here, then it's okay. So I just said, if you do oil change at home, you don't want to buy 3-ton jack or 2-ton jack or inject stand, cost quadruple then buy the ramp. And you can put a in your garage, and let's say that you put under the mat here to not slide forward, because I know sometimes it slide forward. See, like yesterday I did, and it pushed right here. You can see mark right there, okay? And when you drive the car, and sometimes it does not be able to climb that little ramp and keep sliding, because my floor is smooth, so they kind of slide and keep sliding and you can't even get into the ramp. So guess I pat under it, and that's just steady, so you can drive slowly and up and park, put your e-brake on it and do oil change and then go, okay? On this one right here, for my safe side, I had to put a jack stand on it in case if I work down there, then this heavy load, you don't know what can get you. This thing fall on you, no more YouTube, I guarantee it. Okay, just for fun today, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this little clip here, and hopefully you buy one for your oil change, and that will save you some money. All right, be safe out there, YouTube. and hopefully you help me subscribe. Okay, see you guys next video. Bye bye now.